Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can preview a card website. So the main editing screen is a mostly live preview. Any changes you make to the text, colors or position appears instantly as they will on the final site. So let's go and change that color here that you will see. As you can see, it's already some kind of a preview. Now for the animation, click the play icon in the top right menu to trigger and preview any entry or element animation you have added, as you can see here. If your site uses multiple sections for a multi-page fill, click the icon um, to switch to section view. Yeah, but this is only if you have this multi-section multi-page fill. So this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.